I'm Jolina Magdangal Escueta and I have a 1-year-old son named Pele. Pag alam ko na I can make him feel better, that's ginhawa. As a first-time mom, I worry a lot. Kaya naman dependent ako sa pedia ko. 37.5 pa lang ang temperature ni Pele, praning na ako. Pero sabi ni Doc, fever really starts at 38 degrees. Ngayon, pag nakikita ko na hindi komportable si Pele, that's when I give him lots of fluids, Calpol, and a tight hug. I choose Calpol kasi doctor recommended. Importante yun ah. It's also fast and effective and with great tasting flavors. With Calpol, sure ako na ramdam ni Pele ang ginhawa. I'm Jolina and I'm a go ginhawa mom. Ginhawa na maaasahan, Calpol.
When fever is gone, life takes its place.
Do you want to be a go ginhawa mom just like us? Visit us on Facebook to find out how.